Hey everyone, Ross here, Roscoe Mining Solutions. We're right here in front of a behemoth Bucryus 495 electric rope shovel. This one's just been rebuilt, ready to go back into service tonight. I'm sure production will be very happy to have it back. I wanted to show you guys a little bit about what we do because I hear it from everybody. My own mom doesn't really understand what I do, so I figured I'd make this quick little video and take you guys on board so you can see just a couple of the solutions that we do have. So of course our main expertise is heating and air conditioning for mining equipment, and that includes the Sigma, Bergstrom and Mine Air units on the shovel. So we manage the HVAC maintenance here in this mine. We do all the training for their technicians and help with getting parts and supplies and everything ready to go. So we're going to take a quick walk on board and I will show you a few of the upgrades we have made on this shovel. So as you can see, we got a few stairs to go up here. Sometimes hard to fathom just how big these are until you've been on them. Now we're going to make a quick stop here. Oh, hey Mr. Fox. So we'll take a walk in the house and I will show you exactly what we have here. Now keeping us nice and toasty is this Playford heater, and you will find a bunch of these located throughout the shovel. Here's another one. There's our main cable hoist there. There's one right there, another one there, find another one over here, and there'll be another one in the lube room. On a cold day like today, you're likely to find most of the mechanics in here. Sometimes this is the only place you have to come and warm up. So continuing through on our tour now, we're going to head all the way up here to the operator cabin. And here you will find our two Sigma HVAC units. One of these is brand new, one of them is a rebuild that we just did in our shop. And you will notice we have two RMS 200 pressurizers, which we have added. These pre-cleaners knock off 95% of the dust before it ever hits the filter. The filters have about 20 pounds of activated charcoal in them, which will remove 100% of VOCs. It'll filter odors, so smoke, all those kind of things will actually be eliminated by these filters themselves. They don't need to be changed very often. We get several months of life out of these ones. Now we're going to come into the cab here, and this is what I wanted to show you especially. We've made some upgrades in these shovels to the air distribution. The velocity of the air in here is actually pretty poor from the OEM, so we've actually updated these and put in 18-ball louvers, which help with the air flow, and it allows lots of options for the operator because these can be closed completely and really up the velocity even more. It can be pointed in any direction. When the operator's sitting in here, the other systems didn't have a whole lot of air velocity. Now it'll pretty much blow your hat off. We've also upgraded the ones in the floor. And when it comes to the return air grills, we have actually fitted these with filters. Originally from the factory, there's actually no filtration in these. So having no filtration and no return air filtration, any dust that gets trapped inside the HVAC system from inside the ducts, which get pulled in through the return air, really has nowhere to go. So another thing that we did on this shovel as part of its major upgrade is we removed the HVAC systems and we removed all the grills and got into the ducts as close as we can to blow out all the dust and wash them as good as possible. We were able to pull off the flanges and really get a good cleaning in there. So it's probably never been done on this shovel. It's probably never been done on most shovels, to be honest, unless Roscoe is doing maintenance, because that's part of our obligations when we do them.